Hey everyone, I'm participating in a challenge hosted by Pam with Creative Homescaping. It is the seasonal wreath challenge, and she has asked us to create a wreath from scratch or add to one that we already have on hand. Be sure to check out her channel, it is linked below. Also check out the playlist, it is linked in the description box as well, and you can see all the other beautiful wreaths today. Guys, it's Rita. So today I'm going to be doing another wreath, and I'll be using this wreath form I picked up at Walmart, and I don't know how much it was. It's been a while since I purchased it. I'm thinking it was around $5, but it already has the little ties for you on there. And I also picked up this garland, and it was $2.38. It's 9 feet. And it's just regular old garland. So I'm going to wrap this around the form, tie it down, and then I'll come back and decorate. So let's get right to it today. Now give me just a second off camera a little bit. I'm going to get this garland pulled apart, straightened out, so I'll be able to work with it. And I believe this should go around this wreath form 2 times. You will need to get your vacuum out when you get through, because these little needles, pine needles, whatever you want to call them, do fall off everywhere. Okay, so here we go. Got it unwrapped, and I believe I'm going to start with the outer ring first. And as you can see, just lay it on there, give it a couple of twists to secure it. After you get everything put on, you can go back and fluff out your branches, but I am moving them out of the way because I don't want to tie them down. Oh, look at that, one of them just broke off. But that should be an easy fix, just tie it around. Getting close to the end, and then we'll pull it into the middle rings and go around the exact same way. Okay, hope we have enough to go around this middle. It's going to be tight. Okay, we are going to make it, guys, without much room to spare, but it did make a complete 2 times around. And this is an 18-inch wreath form. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. They do have the 18-inch wreath forms at Dollar Tree. I found them a few months ago, but since then I haven't been able to find them at my stores. You may get lucky and find them, but if not, they do have the 14-inch. And we are at the end. Okay, so I have it tied down. And we will just go around and fluff it, and then I'm going to go in with some ribbon. Okay. Okay, I've laid out some decorations the way I want them, and now I'll just begin hot gluing them down. Okay, so here we have it, guys. I think it turned out really cute. The red bow at the top I'm not real pleased with, but I may change that out. But here's what I've done, and I would like to thank Pam for hosting this challenge today. Please don't forget to check out her channel. It is linked below. Also check out the playlist. It's linked below as well. And I would like to thank all my subscribers, as always, for showing me your support. And thanks to everyone else who's watching tonight. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you join my family. It's free. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.